Our competitor's moving blade leaves a rough finish when it dumps.
This rough finish is a disadvantage because it results in uneven compaction as well as slows the tractor down as he makes repeated fit passes over the same hill area.
The Miskin blade is stationary, giving the operator precision control during the dump.
I'm Stoy Marlowe from R.B. Baker Construction. We were using the dirt pans in a tandem application as well as a triple pan application, not only for dirt, but we've also used it to place graded aggregate base stone on I-95. There we were cutting close to the existing traffic lanes where we couldn't get trucks and spreading equipment in and out of traffic. We went to a stockpile situation in the median and used the pull pans to place the stone on the prepared subgrade.
A laser or GPS system can be used to precision control the blade height. Miskin can handle heavy cutting while dumped. If you hit a rock or a stump, it'll stop the tractor, not damage the scraper.
All I ever did in my whole life was fight trying to get it to unload. It was always notorious for just being a low-slung machine, 8-10 inches off the ground. When it come time to go down to the end of the field there and dump or whatever, you just constantly moving your apron back and forth and ever trying to roll the dirt out. And the first thing I noticed right off the bat when the Miskin came out working right alongside in adverse conditions, the positioning of their bowl is almost 90 degrees straight up in the dump position with almost 45-50 inches of opening on the bottom, and the dirt just virtually falls out. And they also have enough height to be able to drag the scraper over top of the dump soil, which is underneath of it. And sometimes you just go right down to the very end of the dump area and the Miskin can dump in 20 or 30 feet. Just dump it all out in one spot. It's just amazing the difference in cycle time that would make.
Yeah, another thing I think I like about the Miskin too is that how quickly it unloads. Because time spent, whether it's transporting or unloading, doesn't make any difference. Time spent is time spent. We had to dump over a very long stretch with the ejector. It had a big, huge cylinder on it. And it took a long time for it to push all the way forward, and so you couldn't dump in just one specific small area. You had to dump over a long stretch and then move over and dump over another long stretch. Whereas with the Miskin, it dumps quick that you can put it right where you want it and turn around and get going back to the next load right away.
The Miskin can dump in 20 or 30 feet, just dump it all out in one spot.
you get to where you want to dump, you can just start turning around right then, because by the time the tractor gets turned around, the scraper's going to be empty.
The bottom line is get unloaded quick and get back and get another load, and that's what we're after.